Did you know that you can make a hair grease out of any oil? So go ahead and grab your favorite oil or mixture of oils, and I'm going to show you what to do with them. First thing you want to do is grab yourself some beeswax pellets and add them to a double boiler like this. Next thing you want to do is grab your favorite oil, or in my case, your favorite oil mixture. Next thing you want to do is strain your oil mixture. Now, this is a nut milk cup strainer that I'm using. And as you can see, it's just preventing all of these herbs that I mixed my oil with from getting into the oil. So that way we can have a nice smooth mixture. Now, I like to add a little bit of cocoa butter to my hair grease just because it is packed full of fatty acids that helps moisturize and nourish the hair and its follicles. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding my essential oils, which one of them is peppermint oil, and then the next one is a little bit of lemongrass oil, just so it's not too pepperminty. But anytime you're adding essential oils to your products, you want to let your you want to add it to the cool down phase so that it doesn't destroy the properties of your essential oils. So I let this mixture cool for about 25 minutes before I added in my essential oils. And before I pour it into the jars that I'm going to store it in, I'm just going to test the level of hardness. And I'm going to do that by dropping it on my countertop and allowing it to cool. And now that it's on my countertop and it has solidified, I can test it for the tenderness, I should say. So now you can see that it's real nice and soft texture. So I'm satisfied with the texture. It may get a little bit firmer as it continues to cool, but I'm pretty much satisfied with this particular texture. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my jars. And I'm just transferring it into some glass jars. And then we're going to let it solidify. Here they are after they have solidified. And the last thing you can do is slap your label on it. This is available by clicking the link in my bio. It's called Mama's Afro Grease. Thank you.